Guys, hey guys, look. In ripping apart plastics, I found all these naked space.
Whoa.
All right, is this thing on? All right, so on my last trip out into the wilderness, that should have a video soon, by the way, I got a bit fed up with my CB wiring, so I got home and started poking around and found that in the back of the center console was this huge empty space. And well, I was pretty irritated with the hidden power adapter in the console, so I looked at options to mount something at the back instead. So the kids could plug in their devices, and I could also mount the CB or plug in the CB. Now, I missed a bit of stuff in making this video, but honestly, the whole process only took about 30 minutes, and it cost me less than 20 bucks. I'm not going to tell you exactly which one of the plug things I got, because there's a bunch of them, and I'm not sure if mine's any better than anybody else's. But I would suggest if you want to do this, do an Amazon search for marine socket panel, and that will have you looking at the right stuff. Now, here you see me very, very excited installing this thing.
Okay, so I got the parts I ordered today. It's a faceplate, and I got a bunch of these. One of these. So I'm determining where to get it actually placed on this piece of plastic here. Ooh, geez, sorry, I didn't mean to make you all nauseous. The problem is that at the bottom, I was hoping to have it up high, but you get the bottom of the cup holders here, and these are deep. So that's not going to work. So I looked at where I could do it, and so I could have either cut these two nubbins off and put them up at about this line, taking these two nubs off here, or I could just go below it. And so I put the plate below there. I marked it up with blue tape, and the difference between cutting these off and moving them just that much higher, it didn't look like it was going to make much difference. So I went ahead and decided to base off these, and then the plate's right there. And I also made the holes in the back, so now, not the holes, I made the circles in the back, centered in that. Now I'm going to drill them out and then use the Dremel to clean them up. Alright, so that's what it looks like. I was questioning whether to keep these things on or not. Oh, I should spin this so it doesn't say lock point upside down. I guess that's upside down. But, power on, power off. I may come back and remove these and just put in something else. I don't know. There's a whole bunch of things you can put in here. But anyway, guess next step is wiring.
Okay, quick note about the wiring. It comes with no wires. It only comes with those blue clips. Also, the diagram is kind of crap. I was able to get some information from a guy who had comments in the Amazon page. So maybe look there if you have any problems, because it's remarkably inconsistent. Okay, so I've got this all wired up. White is negative, brown is positive. And what I'm going to do is put this back into place over here, run the wires on the side, and then we're going to unplug this. Oh, wait a minute. Well, I thought I knew which one was negative, which one was positive. Oh, no, I do. Okay. Hang on. Let me get those wires when we can discuss it. Okay, so if I'm understanding this correctly, the outside, around the outside, is ground, which is the black and white one. And then the
yellow and whatever this is, that goes into the center. That is positive. So I'm gonna go ahead and run these wires across and we'll see if we burn my truck down. Okay, let's see here. No, that's not working. Yeah, not plugged in well enough. Uh-oh. Well, that's not ideal. Yeah, definitely no red light there. Should be a red light on right there. Wait, just push it in deeper. How deep does it go? Well, not deep enough to turn it on, apparently. Let me futz around with this. Okay, so I've got a phone here. It says 61%. Plug this in. Oops. Okay, that's hard to do one-handed. There. So that is working. It is charging. Power mode is optimized. Whatever that means. Let's try the other port. That seems to be working too. Alright, so I'll have to pull this apart, and something's going on with this plug here. It's not working. It's kind of weird anyway. Alright. Alright, with a little fiddling with the wires, you'll see that we now have power here. Just something got knocked loose and I put it in there. But it's all working, and look how cool. Very impressed with myself. That was a very simple project, and makes it a lot more useful. Maybe eventually I'll hardwire it in so it's always on, but for now, just stealing it off the other one seems to be completely sufficient. Awesome.